Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 2003 Mercury Marauder. Very rare car. I think these came in black and burgundy. I think there was about 11,000 of these produced. And they're really hard to find, especially in this condition. This car has 41,000 original miles. New tires all the way around. Runs and drives great. It's got CD changer in the trunk. These cars run forever. It's got a stainless steel exhaust that was just done. Very roomy and comfortable. A scratch on the trunk there, not horrible. Bump here in the corner, bumper. Just noticed that. That body's super straight. These cars come fully appointed with leather and everything. Power locks, windows, mirrors, remote trunk, remote gas cap. $41,545 miles. Factory security system. You've got cruise on one side, and then you got your temp, fan, and volume controls, stereo controls on the right side. Automatic temperature control, stereo rocks in this car. Automatic dimming rearview mirror, overhead console. Super nice dash. Nice lofty back seat. This car is so comfortable. Car runs and drives great. Also has new starter, alternator, K&N air filter, brand new battery, tensioner pulley. Nice car. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. Smash that subscribe button. Hit me up, 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.